Wrapping all this up, I think it's important that we talk about leadership and how it works inside the context of Lift Lab. Okay, it's unique. I understand what's going on here day to day because I'm living it. But one of the things that we want to do is we want to take advantage of the fact that we have a small staff and we have people that are extremely educated, they're extremely capable, and they know what to do. Okay, I always ask people that work at Lift Lab if they'll come work with me, not work for me. And that starts the basis for our leadership. Okay, leadership at Lift Lab is nothing hierarchical. It's all lateral. The person that's leading is the person that knows what to do next. And this gives us the ability to make decisions fast. Okay, so for example, if I'm overseeing the training of an athlete, and myself and another one of my coaches is watching an athlete train and an athlete struggles, and I'm looking at the athlete's problems through one lens, they're looking at them through another. My coach and I, we're going to have a discussion about what's going on. And if he sees something that I don't see and he knows what to do next, I'm going to let him do that. Okay, I'll give you a good example. For those of you that have followed along, you've seen a little bit of Dan German, super tall guy, lurking in the backgrounds and the shadows. And he has an extreme affinity for understanding movement patterns, gross motor movement problems, and essentially places where athletes are running into their own body structure, and that's preventing them to get into a position that I want. Okay, so I may be coaching an athlete to get into a position. Other Dan's looking at me and he's like, anatomically, that athlete can't get into that position. Here's why. And he explains it, and we decide, do we absolutely have to have that position? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, he's going to take over the training of that athlete until they can get into the position anatomically that I want them in. When they're done working with him and they can get back into that position that I need, he's going to turn them right back over to me, and I'm going to continue with their Olympic weightlifting development. It is a 100% on both ends of that spectrum, an ego check and an understanding that the leader of the training and of the group is the person that knows what to do next. That's it. And it's that simple. And if you have trust with your staff and you have a comprehensive approach to training, that's how you got to implement a group dynamic and a group approach to solving this problem of how do we lift more weight. Okay, as a unit, we're all smarter when we're together. And as a unit, fear and hesitation is divided and confidence is multiplied. All right, together we're better than if we're individual.